Hello, everyone. Welcome to the year 2020 or 2020 on Learn British English Free on YouTube. My name is Chris. I'm the English teacher on this channel. The purpose of this message is mainly to say Happy New Year, also to talk about New Year's resolutions and about the lessons that are coming up this year. First of all, New Year's resolutions. These are promises or goals that we make to ourselves, things that we will try to do or do better in the new year. It's very common that people like to try to do this at the beginning of the year, but it's not always possible that the promise continues and it's successful throughout the whole year. We will see. To talk about these things, we can use mainly two structures. I'm going to do something, or I will do something. I would suggest the more common one is I'm going to. Native speakers in particular love using the continuous tenses for a lot of things. So you can say, I'm going to do this for my New Year's resolutions. A couple of examples this year. I'm going to get more exercise. This is a really common one. Another one that is popular for British people is this year I'm going to drink less alcohol. Or if they are very hopeful, this year I'm not going to drink any alcohol. Good luck with that. For me, one is in 2020, I will publish more British English lessons. I mean on YouTube and Facebook, these things. 2018 and 2019 were not the best, sorry, rather busy. Also bad years for me. But already I've made plans to make more lessons. I have many planned, ready to publish already. So the first 2 or 3 months of 2020 should be busy. Please do keep posted. Therefore, I'm just going to talk about the different channels we have online so that you know where to look for the lessons. There should be new ones each week. This is on YouTube. The channel is called Learn British English Free. So please subscribe and watch the free lessons here. We have videos here. I have a website. Now on YouTube and on the website, you can see the new lessons, but of course, I've been making lessons since 2012. There are hundreds of free ones, and you can already go and check them all out. So please see it here, www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. On Facebook, I normally do live lessons, maybe every week or every 2 weeks. They start on the page. Please check it on Sunday afternoon UK time, facebook.com/British English page. You see it there, and you can join us for live lessons. I also publish the other free videos and lessons on there as well. There's a Learn English Free group that I manage too on Facebook. You can follow on Twitter, although I don't publish everything on there. There's also Learn British English on Instagram and Tumblr. The ones I'm talking about are free lessons, but I do sometimes teach private lessons online using Skype or Zoom at the weekends or in the evenings UK time when I'm not working. You can email me to try to book some lessons, but these are private, so you need to pay for them if you want these private ones. There's my email address at Yahoo. One thing, I have not published many recently, but there are lots of podcasts available. You can find them on Podomatic and also SoundCloud. British accent podcasts and British slang podcasts. You can also go to the website like before and the menu Learning Materials podcasts. There are about 100 of these, short ones that you can listen to help you with your accent and with British slang. That's the main message from me this time. Thank you for watching. So each week I hope to publish new free stuff. I have some plans for grammar lessons and special vocabulary. I want to do some more lessons about some of my favourite British words to really help you understand more about British English and things like that. So please join me using those websites. And please write to me with comments, questions, and your New Year's resolutions, of course. That would be good to hear as well. Take care for now. Good luck with your English in 2020. I will be here to help you, and I will see you for the next lesson. Bye-bye.